Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into AnextBank online banking. So if you're using mobile, you can directly log in through your app. But if you're using PC or laptop, all you have to do is open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type www.anex.com.sg. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of AnextBank. If you look at the top right corner, you can see option for online banking. All you have to do is click on this option right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official login page of AnextBank online banking. All you have to do is provide your business ID over here, mobile number and password. First of all, enter your business ID. Now you have to enter your mobile number. Make sure to select your country code right over here. If you click on this, you can see several options. Select your country. Now enter your mobile number. The mobile number must be of 8 characters. Make sure to enter the correct mobile number. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten any of your credentials, you can click on Forgot Your Credentials button right over here. Now after entering all your credentials, you can see login option over here. All you have to do is click on it. So that is how you log into AnextBank online banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.